Aba, teka, road trip ba? Sama kami dyan. Gustong gumala pero ayaw nang magastos? NXT Voyage ang para sa'yo. Ang NXT Voyage ay isa sa mga bagong unit ng NXT. May look at feel ng tunay na motor. Malakas ang dating, pero walang engine noise, walang gas, and walang pollution. Perfect ito sa mga city streets and even open roads. Ang NXT Voyage ay may dalawang version, the Voyage and the Voyage Long. Ang Voyage ay may batteries na 72 volts and 20 amperes with a range of 40 up to 60 kilometers, and the Voyage Long ay may batteries na 72 volts and 32 amperes with a range of 60 up to 80 kilometers. So try to imagine na itong Voyage Long ay kaya niyang ibiyahe mula Cavite to Pasig at balikan. These two versions ay may parehong brushless motors of 2,000 watts, a speed of 40 up to 50 kilometers per hour, and capacity load of 200. Charging time is from 6 to 8 hours, and wider tires. Naka-disc brake na po tayo mula dito sa front and sa rear po natin. And at the same time, ang unit po natin ay may regenerative charging, meaning ito po ay kapag naka-brake or naka-freewheeling, automatic po siyang nagcha-charge. Ang NXT Voyage ay merong digital display, charging port, hydraulic shock absorber, may compartment, and available in 4 different colors. For charge-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.